Ever wonder if true luxury still exists? Untouched by the everyday whispering secrets of endless sun and unparalleled elegance? Prepare to discover a corner of Florida that doesn't just promise paradise, it delivers it with a flourish. Naples, Florida. The name itself conjures images of pristine beaches and gentle breezes, but what if I told you that was just the surface? We're about to embark on a journey that will redefine what you imagine a perfect escape to be. This isn't just a trip. It's an immersion into a world where every detail is curated for comfort, every view is a painting, and every moment feels like a privilege. From the grand estates lining its shimmering waters to the vibrant pulse of its downtown, Naples offers a lifestyle so rich, so breathtaking, it feels almost otherworldly. Get ready to explore the hidden gems and celebrated landmarks that make this city an absolute standout. A place where the sun always shines on sophistication. This video is brought to you by Bella Access. If you've not subscribed, please do so. Please like, share, and click on the notification bell. Our adventure begins where elegance meets the waterfront, Aqualane Shores. As we glide through its perfectly manicured streets, you immediately sense a different kind of energy. This isn't just a neighborhood, it's a statement. Here, every home tells a story of refined taste, each property a testament to architectural artistry. Imagine tree-lined avenues where the foliage is so lush it feels like you're driving through a private botanical garden, leading you to grand entrances and sprawling estates. But the true magic of Aqualane Shores isn't just found in its exquisite homes, it's in its seamless connection to the water. These aren't just houses, they are waterfront sanctuaries, each with its own private dock, a gateway to the Gulf of Mexico. Think of stepping out your back door and onto your yacht, ready to sail into the sunset at a moment's notice. It's a vision of life where the ocean is an extension of your living room, and boating isn't a hobby, it's a daily delight. The serene canals and sparkling bay views provide a constant, gentle reminder that you are living in one of the most coveted places on Earth. The sense of peace and privacy here is profound, yet you're just moments away from the vibrant heart of the city. Just a stone's throw away, we find Bayfront, Naples, a picturesque enclave where the charm of Italy meets the casual elegance of Florida. This area is a feast for the senses, offering a delightful blend of shopping, dining, and stunning water views. The architecture here is reminiscent of a Mediterranean village. Imagine strolling along the promenade, perhaps stopping for an espresso at a charming cafe, or browsing the unique boutiques that line the walkways. The bayfront here is a hive of activity with boats gently rocking in the marina, their masts reaching towards the azure sky. It's a place where you can enjoy a gourmet meal with a panoramic view of the water, watching dolphins play in the distance. The homes in Bayfront, Naples are designed to maximize these incredible views, offering residents an unparalleled connection to the aquatic world. From sleek modern condominiums to charming townhouses, each residence offers a sophisticated lifestyle, complete with easy access to all the amenities Bayfront has to offer. The very air seems to hum with a relaxed sophistication, inviting you to slow down and savor the moment. This is a place where you can truly live the dream of a high-end Bayfront home with boating access, all while enjoying the convenience and excitement of urban living. But Naples isn't just about the serene beauty of its residential areas. It's also a hub of vibrant culture and sophisticated charm, epitomized by its legendary Fifth Avenue South. This isn't merely a street. It's the beating heart of Naples, a dazzling showcase of luxury, art, and culinary excellence. As you stroll down Fifth Avenue, you're enveloped in an atmosphere of refined indulgence. Then there's the food. Fifth Avenue South is a gastronomic paradise, boasting an incredible array of upscale restaurants where world-class chefs craft unforgettable dining experiences. From fresh, locally sourced seafood, prepared with a delicate touch to rich, international cuisines that transport your taste buds around the globe. Every meal here is an event. Picture yourself enjoying a glass of fine wine at an outdoor cafe, people watching as the world goes by, or indulging in a multi-course dinner at a Michelin-starred establishment. The evening ambiance is particularly captivating, with twinkling lights illuminating the avenue and the gentle murmur of conversation filling the air. It's a place where sophisticated shoppers find their treasures, art lovers discover their next masterpiece, and gourmands savor every bite. The energy is palpable yet always graceful, creating a truly unique and memorable urban experience. This is where Naples truly shines, showcasing its sophisticated retail, dining, and cultural flair in a way that's both exciting and effortlessly elegant. Now it's easy to get lost in the glamour of Naples' man-made marvels, to be completely swept away by the allure of its mansions and designer streets. But to truly understand the magic of Naples, you have to look beyond the meticulously crafted luxury and discover its wild, untamed heart. Many come for the opulence, but few truly grasp the profound natural beauty that grounds this city, a beauty that is just as breathtaking, if not more so, than its glittering facades. The true challenge, perhaps, is to peel back those layers of polished sophistication and dive into the vibrant, living ecosystems that thrives. Next, we journey to an icon of the Naples coastline, a place that embodies the classic Floridian experience, the Naples Pier. Stretching majestically into the shimmering Gulf of Mexico, the pier is more than just a structure. It's a gathering place, a landmark, and a perfect vantage point for some of the most breathtaking sunsets you'll ever witness. Imagine strolling out over the water, the gentle rhythm of the waves beneath you, the salty breeze caressing your skin. Fishermen line the railings, casting their lines into the abundant waters, hoping for the catch of the day. Dolphins are often seen playing in the distance, their sleek bodies arching gracefully out of the water, a truly magical sight. As the day draws to a close, the pier transforms. People gather, cameras ready, to witness the spectacular show as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery oranges, soft pinks, and deep purples. It's a moment of collective awe, a shared experience of natural beauty that transcends language. The Naples Pier provides not just picturesque views, but a timeless, tranquil experience that captures the essence of coastal living. It's where memories are made, where worries drift away with the tide, and where the vastness of the ocean inspires a sense of wonder. From the expansive views of the pier, we delve into a more intimate, yet equally captivating natural wonder, the unique mangrove tunnels at Clam Pass Park. This is where adventure truly meets ecology. To reach the pristine beach, you embark on a memorable journey, often via a charming tram ride through a dense, verdant forest. But the real magic begins when you paddle through the winding, silent mangrove tunnels. Imagine gliding in a kayak or paddleboard through a canopy of intertwined mangrove branches, the light dappling through the leaves, creating a mystical, ethereal glow. The air is cool and fresh, and the only sounds are the gentle dip of your paddle and the calls of unseen birds. This isn't just a tunnel, it's a living, breathing ecosystem, a crucial nursery for countless marine species. You'll witness the incredible resilience of these vital trees, their intricate root systems creating a natural labyrinth. It's an immersive, educational, and profoundly peaceful experience, offering a sense of seclusion and discovery that is truly unique. Clam Pass Park provides a chance to connect with the delicate balance of nature, to appreciate the intricate beauty of the Florida ecosystem, and to embark on a quiet adventure that feels miles away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, even though it's right on the edge of the city. After immersing ourselves in nature's quiet grandeur, we return to the vibrant charm of Naples, exploring more of its distinctive character and enduring luxury. Our next stop takes us to the bustling and colorful Tin City, Naples, a delightful contrast to the refined elegance we've seen. This historic waterfront marketplace, with its rustic, tin-roofed buildings, started its life as a working clam processing plant and oyster shucking house. Imagine browsing quirky boutiques filled with local souvenirs, handcrafted jewelry, and beachwear, or sampling delicious seafood at a laid-back restaurant overlooking the water. Boats bob gently in the marina, and the aroma of fresh seafood wafts through the air, creating a truly charming and memorable shopping and dining experience. Tin City offers a glimpse into Naples' historical roots while providing modern-day enjoyment. Port Royal is not just a neighborhood, it is synonymous with ultra-luxury, often cited as one of the most exclusive residential areas in the world. As we drive through its impeccably guarded streets, you understand why. Here, custom-built estates with sprawling grounds lead directly to the Gulf or private canals, each a masterpiece of design and privacy. These homes are more than just residences. They are generational compounds, offering unparalleled amenities and breathtaking views. It's an aspirational address, a place where privacy and prestige are paramount. Imagine a stroll where every house has character, where picket fences and lush gardens create an idyllic scene. Here you'll find the iconic palm-lined avenues and the sense of a bygone era, perfectly blended with modern luxury. Our journey through Naples wouldn't be complete without experiencing its most exclusive and breathtaking residential stretches. We now drive down Billionaire's Row, a name that perfectly encapsulates the grandeur of this prestigious stretch of coastline. This is where some of the world's most impressive and extravagant real estate unfolds before your eyes. Imagine vast estates, each designed with bespoke elegance, boasting private beach access, infinity pools that seem to merge with the Gulf, and architecture that pushes the boundaries of luxury. These homes are more than just residences. They are sprawling compounds, offering unparalleled privacy and amenities, often featuring multiple guest houses, tennis courts, and private art galleries. The sheer scale and meticulous detail of these properties are awe-inspiring, a true testament to the heights of opulence. Following this, our drive continues along the iconic Gulf Shore Boulevard. This scenic route hugs the coastline, offering continuous, unobstructed views of the sparkling Gulf of Mexico on one side and an impressive array of high-rise condominiums and luxurious beachfront properties on the other. It's a showcase of sophisticated coastal living, where every residence seems to have a postcard-perfect view. Picture elegant buildings with expansive balconies where residents can watch the dolphins play at sunrise or enjoy a cocktail as the sun dips below the horizon. The landscaping along Gulf Shore Boulevard is meticulously maintained, adding to the allure and creating a sense of serene beauty. It exemplifies the city's commitment to preserving its natural assets while providing an extraordinary lifestyle for its residents, truly showcasing the best of Naples' extravagant real estate, from sprawling mansions to sophisticated beachfront high-rises. Finally, to truly grasp the essence of Naples, we must turn our gaze to the pristine white sands that define its coastline. The quintessential Naples lifestyle is perhaps best encapsulated by the simple yet profound joy of its beaches. Picture this: the softest, powder-fine sand beneath your toes, the gentle lapping of warm Gulf waters, and the endless expanse of a clear blue sky. Here, amidst the gentle rhythm of the waves, you see ladies gracefully enjoying the sun and sand, perhaps strolling along the water's edge. It's a scene of effortless relaxation, where the stress of the world simply melts away with each outgoing tide. The atmosphere is one of serene contentment, a reminder that true luxury often lies in the simplest pleasures: sunshine, fresh air, and the soothing embrace of nature. This isn't just a beach, it's a sanctuary, a place where the relaxed coastal lifestyle is lived to its fullest every single day. The beautiful Gulf of Mexico offers calm, warm waters perfect for swimming, paddleboarding, or simply wading, making it an idyllic playground for all ages. This captivating overview of Naples, Florida, has taken us on a journey through its most luxurious streets, its vibrant cultural hubs, and its breathtaking natural wonders. We've witnessed the architectural marvels of Aquiline Shores and Port Royal, savored the sophisticated charm of golf clubs. We've even enjoyed the relaxed retail therapy of Tin City and the grand scale of Billionaires Row and Gulf Shore Boulevard. Ultimately, Naples isn't just a destination. It's a feeling, a special place where luxury, beauty, and an unparalleled lifestyle converge into a singular, unforgettable experience.